Welcome guys. Today we're going to look at how to draw a class diagram. First of all, I'm going to draw a class diagram for a library management system. First, I'm going to create the classes. The librarian, and the attributes will be ID and it's in int data type. Then this will be the name. It will be in string data type. That's all. Attributes for the librarian. Now I'm going to note the operations. First will be issue books, return books, click find, search book, let's find the member, then issue ID cards. That's all the objective for the librarian. Then I'm going to create a class for the book right here. This will be the books class. First attribute will be the book ID. And it's going to be in string data type. Then the book name, which will be also in the string data type. Then author, again which will be in string data type. Then year of publishing, then price of the book will be in float data type. As this is the class diagram for a library, we should also need the status of the book to be shown in this diagram, whether it's available or not. And it's going to be also in the string data type. And then there's the objectives for the books class. First will be add new books. Delete books. Updating the book details. Explain the book details. There's some of the links, and finally the search function. And that's for the book class. Then I'm gonna create the final class of this diagram. This will be user class, and the attribute is going to be the user ID, in data format, username, and it will be in string data format. User address, also in string data format. Finally, the phone number that will be in data format. Then I'm going to continue the operation of the user class. First one will be issue books. Oh, you see books. Second one will be return books. Then the pay fine if the bar period will be expired. Another one I'm gonna use add new user operation, delete user operation, update details, and that's gonna be all. So now I'm gonna create the subclasses for this diagram. For the books class, I'm going to create the subclass of general books. As the subclass, I'm going to inherit all these attributes and operations from the book class. This won't be need. So I'm gonna use those. Then I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna create two of the other classes also, subclasses. This is gonna be a reference book class, and this will be novels. I'm gonna create two subclasses for the user main class as well. Like again, I'm gonna delete the objectives and the operations. This will be the student subclass. And this will be the teacher subclass. Okay. Now I'm gonna look into the most important part of this diagram, that will be creating the relationship. First, I'm going to consider the relationship between the library class and the others. As the librarian is the one who administrates book class, but there won't be a special connection between those, and it will be a regular relationship like this. But the main part of this relationship will be the creating the coordinates. Librarian will be a single entity, so it's going to be a 1, 2, many relationship, as there are going to be more of books. Then the relationship between the librarian and the user, it's going to be a similar case as well. Librarian, a single entity, and bunch of users. It's going to be a one-to-many relationship. Like that. Then the relationship between books, class, and the user. Like here, there are going to be bunch of books to bunch of users. This is going to be a one-to-many relationship. And this is going to be a one-to-many relationship. Okay. Then I'm going to look at the subclasses here. The relationship between the subclasses and the main class will be the concept of inheritance. So like this, this is the symbol that we use to represent inheritance, like that. Like that, I'm gonna get the relationship between those two. A little bit here. And another inheritance between these classes also. Okay, this will be the look of complete but beginner level class diagram. for a library system. So thank you.